Okay, students, good morning, ninth class. Yesterday we have talked about the health factor, contribution of health in our GDP or our development of our country. Today we will talk about the unemployment. As you know, we are discussing about the chapter human resources. So unemployment arise in human beings na. It can't be arise in machinery or physical capital. Okay, so from Sakal's family we will going to learn about who is unemployed and who are not. His family members, there were his mother and his sister and brother, younger brother and sisters in the family. Are they said to be unemployed? No. Unemployed means who is eligible to do work and willing to do work and he is not getting job is said to be unemployed. Okay, unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work at available wages but can't find job, जिनको job नहीं मिल रही है. And what type of unemployment are there? In rural area there are different type of unemployment, and urban area there are different type of unemployment. There are two type of unemployment in rural area. One is seasonal unemployment and second is disguised unemployment. Seasonal unemployment means the period between sowing and harvesting of any crop, and the farmers are idles in this time and they said to be unemployed. And what is disguised unemployment? Means ki in a farm there are 20 farmers are doing work, okay, and there is requirement only for 10 workers. So 10 farmers are said to be unemployment because they are not giving their participation in the GDP of our country. Okay, so this is said to be disguised unemployment. Okay, educated unemployment means in urban area there is educated unemployment. There are educated people and who are not doing job, they said to be educated unemployment. And what are the problems of unemployment? Obvious है, unemployment से problem create होंगी. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources because there are many persons who want to do work but they are not getting jobs. It means manpower, human resources, there are sheer wastage of human resources. And asset for the country turn, if we are employed then we are asset for the country because we are contributing to our country, and if we are unemployed then we are liability of the country. So if unemployment arise, asset for the country turn into liabilities. Okay, unemployment increase the economic overload. One reason of poverty, degrade the social standard of life. Obvious है. Decline the health standard, withdrawn from school. Decline the health standard, obviously we don't have. If we are employed, it arise poverty. Okay, due to this we are not spend so much on our health, and if we don't have money we will withdraw our children from the school. It will again turn poverty. So it's a long process. These are the problems of unemployment. Let's check these topics, note down, and tomorrow we will discuss the last lecture of this chapter. After that we will continue, we will start new chapter. Till then, bye.